Hello, everyone, and welcome back to EasyTalk. I'm Beck.
And I'm Joe. And today, I brought my very best English skills.
Just kidding, Beck. I checked my grammar before we started.
Trust me, he needed help. But you're here, so you'll speak much better than Joe by the end of this lesson.
Wow, starting the roast already? Okay. Today, we're doing basic English conversation for beginners. Simple dialogues, but we'll make them fun.
Yes! And if you enjoy learning English with us, go ahead and click like.
And if you don't click like,
Joe will be sad.
very sad.
You don't want that. All right, let's begin.
Joe, imagine we meet in the morning. How do beginners say, hello?
Easy. Hi. Hello. Good morning.
And if you want to sound friendly, how are you?
And the common reply is, I'm good. I'm fine. Or, the honest one, I need coffee.
Yes, Joe always needs coffee.
People love simple questions like, where are you from? What do you do? What are your hobbies?
And beginners can answer easily. I'm from India. I study. I like music.
Or, my favorite honest hobby, I like eating.
That is not a hobby, Joe.
For me, it is.
Beginners often need help. Say, can you help me? Can you repeat that? I don't understand.
And a polite reply is, sure. No problem. Of course.
Or Joe's reply, I'll help after I eat.
Hey, priorities.
Let's do a short natural dialogue beginners love.
All right, here we go.
What are you doing?
I'm watching a movie.
Do you like it?
Yes, it's great.
Simple, clear, natural. Perfect for beginners.
Another useful one. What are you doing tomorrow?
And simple answers like, I'm going to the market. I'm meeting a friend. I'm staying home.
Or, I'm sleeping all day.
Why am I not surprised?
To end a beginner conversation, say, nice talking to you. See you later. Have a good day.
Perfect and friendly.
So today, you learned simple, fun English conversations for beginners.
Now it's your turn. Write a short conversation in the comments. We read every single one.
If this video helped you, click like.
And if you want Beck to smile,
You already know.
hit that subscribe button.
Thanks for watching.
Have a great day or night.
Bye-bye.